Relativity, lecture number 5. So relativistic addition law for velocities. Now we have to consider the velocities of the particle measured in the systems S and S dash, or U and U dash, which are parallel to common x dash axis. Here hence we have U is equal to, U can be written like this, U is equal to U comma 0 0 bracket complete, and U dash is equal to bracket U dash comma 0 bracket complete. That is the U suffix x is equal to U, U suffix x is equal to U, and U dash suffix x is equal to U dash. Then U dash x is equal to U suffix x minus V upon 1 minus U suffix x into V divided by C square, and U dash is equal to U minus V upon 1 minus U into V upon C square, or U is equal to U dash plus V upon 1 plus V dash U dash V upon C square. So like this the way we have this U dash and U suffix x. U dash x, the value U dash is equal to this, U is equal to this. How this is? Yes, this is the integration and derivatives. Yes, we have to know. So by U suffix x is equal to U dash of x plus V upon 1 plus U dash suffix x into V upon C square, U suffix y is equal to U suffix y dash upon alpha bracket in the bracket 1 plus U dash x, U dash suffix x V by C square, and U suffix z is equal to U dash z upon alpha into 1 plus U dash suffix x into V upon C square. So this is U suffix x, this is U suffix y, and this is U suffix z, U suffix z. So hence we have all give the relativity addition law for velocities, or it is the Einstein velocity addition law. This is called the Einstein velocity addition law. So we have to just to know this. Now the example. Two electrons have a realistic sample in opposite directions, each having speed 0.6 c with respect to the sample. Now what is the classical speed of the electron relative to the other? So we have to just to add. That is the addition law of velocities. Addition law of velocities is classified by physics. So we have to add 0.6 c, that is 1.2 c. This is 1.2 c. This is the addition law of velocities is classical physics. This is the answer, 1.2 c. Transformation of Lorentz contraction factor is 1 minus U square upon C square bracket complete raised to 1 upon 2. This is Lorentz contraction factor. Transformation of Lorentz contraction factor is 1 minus U square upon C square bracket complete raised to 1 by 2. So this will be it is given. So you must have to remember this, 1 minus U square upon C square raised to half. Now the example. Two space ships, each measuring 100 meters in its own frame, pass by each other traveling in opposite direction. Now yes, so spaceship of A determined that from the front end of the spaceship B requires 5.00 into 0.6C into 0.6C. No, spaceship B requires 5.00 into 10 raised to minus 6. Then we have to find second in transverse the full length of A. It is just what is the relative velocity of the two spaceship. Relative, we have to find relative velocity within two ships. So in the frame of A, spaceship B covers 100-meter distance in 5.00 into 10 raised to minus 6 seconds. So V is equal to 100 meters per second divided by 5 into 10 raised to minus 6. So this is equal to, yes, 120. Yes, 20 by 10 raised to minus 6 is equal to 2 into 10 raised to minus 6 meter per second. So that is, this is 1, 10 raised to power 1. 2 into, yes, see this will upside, it will become 10 into 10 raised to 6, that is 10 raised to 7 meter per second. 2 into 10 raised to 7 meter per second. So this will come there, this will come. So this is the part of relative velocity is 2 raised to 10 raised to 7 meter per second. Meter per second. So this is our topic unit 2. This is over. This is over. Unit 2 is over. Now I would like to start the unit number 3. Unit number 3.